Hello, my name is Jed Albring and welcome to this video on ClickFunnels Duplicate Funnel. So to duplicate a funnel, it is super easy, guys. It's also known as cloning a funnel, but you would just go into any funnel that you want to duplicate. I'm going to use this test webinar funnel, and all you would do is go to Settings, select Clone Funnel, and you'll see it start populating. So these were some other ones I cloned. You might have to give it a second or two. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when you see the clone funnel, it's going to have the word copy before it. So my original is called test webinar. My duplicate funnel is called copy of test webinar. So either leave it at that, depending on what you're doing with it. My recommendation is to go directly into your settings after you duplicate your funnel and change this to whatever you want to do, okay? If you want to keep it as a copy, keep it as a copy, but make sure you're aware of what it is. Now, everything's going to stay the same, obviously, so it's completely duplicated. The one thing I recommend you do is wherever you have an opt-in form, go back into your duplicate funnel and go to your settings tab and make sure that your integration is attached. So like my other integration, it was attached. On my duplicate, it is not. I don't know why that is, but you want to go back in and re-add in your email service provider, okay? And then double check. I like to double check my metadata, and I also like to double check my custom, if I have custom coding, but where is it? My tracking code. So if you're tracking for Google or Facebook, make sure that that all copied over, okay? That's it. That's how you duplicate a funnel in ClickFunnels. Thank you. Have a great day. I will leave a link below. If you are new to ClickFunnels, you can try them out for 14 days for free. Thank you.